And there we go. Hi everyone, how are you doing? How was your day? I know the energies with the earth is at this stage is a bit rough. So if you're feeling dizzy, nauseous, lightheaded, um, feeling a bit off of balance, over emotional, like you haven't got traction, when it feels like your wheel alignment is out, headaches, it's just a normal part of it. I've posted it, the Schumann scale, I've posted everything for you to read and to be aware of what's going on. Okay, so just the best is to breathe, stay hydrated, earth. Earthing means you go outside, you put your feet in the ground, um, and your hands, sitting down, pull your knees up, feet on the earth, hands, and you just sit like that and you start breathing comfortably till you feel that energy pulsating through you, or take your shoes off, ask a tree, will you please accept me, and go put your arms around a tree and just hold on till you feel that pulsating movement through your body. Because through your left side you take in energy, through your right side you push out energy. So you'll be drawing in new fresh energy, pushing out the old energy. It's the best I can advise you at this stage. We just need to sit this out. Um, there's a few earthquakes that's been mentioned, and the volcanoes, and so just breathe. We're living here, this is what we can do. Okay, so for tonight, the card that came out was conclusions are within reach. Full moon eclipse. This just means doors that are closing now is closing. They won't be able to be reopened. What's done is done. Okay, and then just, it's time for you to get back on track. If you've been disorientated and you didn't know which direction you were going, sit down, have an introspection, and decide what is going to be your journey going forward. Um, and on the point of forgiveness, do your forgiveness from your side. You don't need to face a person to be able to say, I forgive you, and have it to and fro the whole time. Do your forgiveness, cut the cords, let it go. It's good for your karma. Whatever they do is on them. Responsibility gets handled by the people whose responsibility it is. If it is not yours, and make sure that it's not yours, let go of it. It's quite advisable to now do meditation, okay, yoga, nidra, something that you can sit down, pull your shoulders down, breathe, and just feel the calmness within you. And if you feel a bit anxious and you get anxiety attacks, put your hand over your heart and tell yourself, I'm safe. Breathe deeply and tell yourself that you are safe. A very important thing to remember now is that whatever is meant for me, for you, will find you. It will not pass you by. So stop fretting. Okay. Um, and just stop micromanaging, stop trying to hold on and manage and everything. Let the flow flow. Otherwise, you're not going to know which direction, what's going to go on. Um, the situation you're asking about is now out of your hands. Um, things are reaching a peak. What must happen, and that is how you're going to get your traction to go forward in life. Okay. And what you're experiencing now is what your soul signed up for. That is, you're experiencing what you're here for. now. Okay, so your soul lessons, getting experience, um, and as it unfolds, be easy on yourself. Stop being so hard on yourself. I know we all our own worst critics, even me, always go, yeah, I could have done it better, or if I should have, if I, what if? No, just let it flow and learn what you're supposed to learn. Yeah. And when something happens, just step back and say, what am I supposed to learn from this situation? Yeah, even me, I need to do it also. Stuff happens, you go like, oh goodness, I just couldn't, this was not for me at this stage. And then you go and you sit and you start thinking, it's like, oh, okay. Now I understand why that happened. Take the lesson and move forward. Stop getting stuck and turning backwards. As soon as you turn backwards, there's no going forward. Remember that always. Um, if you're letting go of someone or something now, it's the right time. Even though it might be hard, sometimes the right thing to do is also the hardest thing to do. Okay, so unfortunately, if you are on the live, I can't see anyone being here on the live. So I'm going to try for every evening at 7:30 to be on the live. If you do watch the video later on, please just mention there for me replay so that I can know that you watched the replay. And if you want your one free card, put your name there. Okay, keep well and keep calm, stay hydrated, eat properly, get enough rest in, go for walks. Most important is remember to breathe. See you tomorrow, same time.